In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen effortlessly using the built-in tools on Windows. Whether you need to capture tutorial videos, gameplay, or just demonstrate something to friends and colleagues, you'll find this guide easy to follow. To begin with, you'll need to have open the screen you want to record. It's crucial to have the window or activity you wish to capture set up exactly as you want it before starting the recording. It saves time and ensures your recording process goes smoothly without any disruptions. Now, to access the screen recording tool, press Windows plus G on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the Xbox game bar, which is a handy built-in feature in Windows designed for gamers, but equally useful for anyone who needs to seize what's happening on their screen. Once you have the game bar open, look for the record button. It's the one that looks like a circle. Click on it to start recording your screen. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Windows plus Alt plus R simultaneously for quicker start. Both these methods will initiate your screen recording instantly, so be ready to capture whatever's happening without delay. When you've completed whatever you needed to record, you can easily stop recording by clicking the Stop button within the game bar. This is important to ensure your video isn't longer than necessary. If you use the shortcut to start your recording, you can stop it the same way by pressing Windows plus Alt plus R again. It's a simple toggle mechanism that helps keep your recording process efficient and straightforward. Now, let's talk about where to find your recorded video. Once you've finished, head over to File Explorer, navigate to the Videos folder, and then to the Captures subfolder. Your freshly recorded screen video will be there, saved automatically as an MP4 file, ready for you to edit, share, or save for later. For those using Windows 11, there's an additional tool you might find useful, the snipping tool. While this isn't available on Windows 10, for those on the newer operating system, it offers another method to record your screen. Open the snipping tool and click on the Record tab, followed by the New button. Select the specific area of your screen you wish to record. Once selected, press Start to begin capturing. After you've recorded all you need, click Stop, and just like before, your video will be available in the Videos folder under Captures. There you have it. Simple steps for all your screen recording needs right at your fingertips. Whether you're using the Xbox game bar or the snipping tool on Windows 11, these are incredibly practical features that can make capturing your screen both quick and effective. Enjoy your new skills and happy recording.